Next important command we'll see under DDL is alter. The name itself says alter, so we are going to alter something. So what is a something? Table. We are talking about the table, right? So we are going to alter a table. So that means this command is used to alter the table. That is, we are completely updating the structure of the table. So earlier we created only two fields, right? So using alter command I can add an extra field to the existing table. So this is the syntax that is used for altering the table. So earlier we had only two fields, right? Now I am going to add another field called salary. So how to do that? Alter table followed by table name. You can use the keyword called add, field name, and the data type. So that's it. So when you click enter, the table is altered, and when you see the properties or describe the properties, you can see employee ID, employee name, and salary has been created. And within the alter, it not only you can modify the table, that is you can not only add an extra field, but you can also modify the existing data type. Suppose for example, initially employee ID was created using 3 bytes, right? Now I wanted to expand it to 6 bytes. The reason behind this, so earlier I thought like the maximum range of employees in my organization will be 999. So but as the company is growing and a lot of employees, business has been expanded, so a lot of employees are joining in my organization, then I thought, so I need to modify the employee field now from 3 bytes to 6 bytes, right? So okay, so then alter table name. So this is the existing value, or the type, I mean number is 3 bytes. So now if I use alter table employee 1 modify employee ID number of 6, then you can see table alter, then when you show the describe the properties, and you can see it's been modified to 6. So this is how we use an alter command. So what are the different options we used? We used add, to add an extra field to the existing table, and modify, to modify the existing data type of that particular field. Okay, thank you.